Good morning, student. Our next experiment is star to star connection. So you remember here, this is the practical way of connection for star to star. So this is also a star and this is also a star. So here this star we are connecting for source and this star we are going to connect for load. Okay. Then here you remember a few points about star to star. Okay, so it's mean a very simple theory. We need to understand phase current and line current both are the same in star to star for both the ends, and phase voltage and line voltage is completely different in star connection. So in star connection, phase voltage is equal to line voltage by √3. So this is the practical way of diagram for a star to star connection. So already I have done how to connect this star connection practically in control panel. Star and delta, how we are going to connect in control panel, already I have done one video. So if you want to know the connection, way of connection of star and delta, so you have to visit that. I'm going to give the link given below description. Okay, so this is the star to star connection actually. So here star source also a star and load also a star. Here we are going to take 2 wattmeters. Okay, for R phase and B phase we need to measure the power. So W1 wattmeter and W2 wattmeter, and we are taking one voltmeter in between R phase and Y phase. This one is a line voltage measurement purpose only. We are taking this voltmeter. The same thing here also. In load side also we are taking one voltmeter in between R and Y load. So we are measuring here line voltage. Okay, this ammeter is useful to measure the current in a Y phase. Okay, so this is a star to star connection. This one is a balanced type of connection. So that's why also same in all phases. So just like we are taking only one ammeter to measure the one phase current. So remaining 3 phases also same current is there. Okay, so here also same. We are taking 1 voltmeter and 1 ammeter and 2 wattmeters. Okay, so star to star balanced type of connection this one. So that's why here we are taking only 1 voltmeter and 1 ammeter, and voltmeter is line voltage measurement and ammeter is phase current measurement. Okay, so ammeter we are taking in series and voltmeter we are taking in parallel in between R and Y phase. Okay, so remaining all the phases, phase currents and voltage, phase currents and line currents also same. Then I am going to connect the circuit as per the circuit diagram. Okay, this is a 3-phase transformer. Here I am going to connect at source end also a star connection and load end also a star connection. Star to star connection we are going to connect here. So we are taking 1 voltmeter for line voltage measurement purpose and 1 ammeter for phase current measurement purpose at both primary side and secondary side. Our manual, we need here only line voltage and phase voltage, both primary side and secondary side also we need a line voltage and phase voltage. Okay, that's why here we are going to connect only line voltage purpose 1 voltmeter and phase voltage purpose 1 extra voltmeter, and here ammeter and voltmeter and ammeter. Here we are going to connect only voltmeter and ammeters for both primary and secondary. So it's mean here we are going to measure voltage and current values only, but we are not connecting the wattmeters. So it's mean power we are not measuring here according to our manual. Okay, so then I am going to connect the circuit as per circuit diagram. You remember here. So this is the actually circuit diagram. So first I am going to connect star connection. So how we are going to connect the star connection, in the sense all the second terminal of the each and every phase we are connecting at particular point is called a star connection. So here first phase, second terminal of the second phase. You observe here both the sides I have connected star star. So it's mean each and every phase, this one is R phase and this one is Y phase and this one is B phase. So all the phases second terminal is connected for second terminal of second phase, and the second phase second terminal is connected for third phase second terminal. Okay, this is just like a star connection. Same here also at load end also I have connected R phase, Y phase and B phase. So each and every phase second terminal is connected next to phase of the second terminal here. Then star connection is over. Then I am going to connect R phase here. You remember R is going to connect for R phase directly. So this one is R phase. So that R phase is connected for star connection here, R phase. And then next Y phase is going to connect for ammeter. Then Y phase is going to connect for ammeter. Then ammeter second terminal is going to connect for Y of the star connection. Ammeter second terminal is connected for Y of the first terminal. You remember here this is a first terminal and this is the second terminal of the star connection. So I am going to connect first terminal. Okay, then next B phase is directly connected for B phase. B phase is directly connected for B phase first terminal. B phase first terminal. Okay, so one voltmeter I am going to connect in between R phase and Y phase. So this voltmeter is useful to measure the line voltage in between the R and Y phase. Then I am going to connect one voltmeter in between R and Y. Okay, then primary side is come over. Then I am going for secondary side. Secondary side we are going to connect one voltmeter in between R and Y. Same. Secondary side we are going to connect in between R and Y. So it's mean you remember R first terminal is connected for voltmeter, and or otherwise R star connection R is directly connected for R load. First terminal of the star connection is directly connected for load of R, and here you remember Y is directly connected for ammeter. Y first terminal is connected for ammeter. Ammeter second terminal is connected for Y phase, Y load Y. And next here star connection B phase is directly connected for load B. Load B. Okay, then 1 voltmeter I am going to connect across R and Y phase. So this is R first terminal, then that one is connected for 1 voltmeter, and Y first terminal connected for 1 voltmeter. Okay, so this is the way of connection. And here B phase is remaining is there, so that B phase is. So this is a star to star connection, no? So that's why I am going to connect a neutral point also. Here we are going to connect a neutral point in the sense. So the neutral point is always connected at second all phases second terminal point. Second terminal point in the sense Y phase second terminal point. So this is the second terminal of all the points. Okay, and here also same neutral wire at load end, also neutral wire we are going to connect at Y phase second terminal. Okay, so you remember first I have done first star connection I have done at primary side, and the secondary side also star connection I have done. Okay, and directly R phase is connected for R phase and Y phase is connected for ammeter, and ammeter second terminal is connected for Y phase first terminal, and as well as B phase is directly connected for B phase first terminal, and neutral point is connected for second phase second terminal here, and same like at secondary side also. Okay, here I have taken 2 voltmeters for line voltage measurement and 2 ammeters for current measurement. Okay, so this is the load point. Then I am going to by using variac. So here variac is there. Okay, so by using that variac I am going to increase the voltage value up to 400. Actually 440 three phase, but I have taken only 410 only here. So at no load condition here current values are 0 values. Okay, then I am going to apply load. Then I am going to turn on the power supply. Okay, so by using this variac I am going to take 400 volts at primary side. Basically 3-phase power supply 440 we are going to take, but here for safety purpose I have taken only 413 volts. So this one is a phase voltage of primary side of the star connection, and this one is a 208 or 207 is a line voltage of secondary side star connection, and here in no load condition both the currents are 0. Okay, here I have taken one voltmeter externally. So this voltmeter is useful to measure the phase voltage. So here I have taken this voltmeter is useful to measure the phase voltage. Here whatever the voltmeters we have taken, that voltmeters are useful to measure the line voltages only, but we need a phase voltage also. Okay, so according to our manual we need a line voltage and both the phase voltage. So here I have connected only a phase voltage at primary side only. Okay, you remember here. So 430 volts line voltage, and here approximately 245 or 247 volts are phase voltage. Okay, then I am going to apply a load here. You remember when I have lifted load, so 412 volts line voltage, and here secondary side star connection we got 197 volts line voltage, and the current is 0.44 amperes. You remember in both star and star connection we are taking at source side and load side, that's why. So a line current is equal to phase current. So whatever the current we got 0.44 at load end, the same current we have primary side also. Okay, that's why only here reading not showing. Okay, you remember. So here the same 0.44 amperes only equal to source side current also. Okay, this is the star to star connection. Previously I have taken this voltmeter primary side of a star connection, so for a phase voltage measurement purpose. Right now this voltmeter I have connected at secondary side of the star connection for R phase, two terminals. First terminal for voltmeter first terminal, and the second terminal connected for second terminal. Okay, so here at secondary side star connection we got a phase voltage is approximately 110 or 115 volts. Okay,